2 puppies are sleeping. These 3 puppies woke up. Hi, Honey Badger. He helped me put this together since he doesn't nap as much as the other puppies. He's a happy puppy. That tail, it wags most of the time. And he's already peed in their new bathroom here. They can run. They're so happy to run. In their new apartment. Yeah. Has a playroom, 2 bedrooms, a bathroom down there. Some water down here. Yeah, you guys ready? You guys like it?